he patronized various musicians like what is a Ram Das and Mahapatra. Which one I said that? And along with this, Jagannath is also there. Jagannath, he was so impressed with the music of Jagannath that he had him weigh against the gold and gave him that amount as his face. So इनको weight किया गया against the what? Gold, and then that much gold has been given to Jagannath. And who has given? Shah Jahan. So one of the music lover, one of the what is an architect lover, one of the sculpture lover, everything was there. Mr. Shah Jahan. And then after that, understood it, Baba Ramdas, and then I said that Mahapatra along with the Jagannath, and it is in a point, and the next is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb में तो कोई interest नहीं था, only music कितने साल सुना था? 10 साल. I said that it pointed out that during the first 10 years of his reign, Aurangzeb was fond of music, and however as Aurangzeb began to grow, he started disliking music. Understood? And we have finished with this, and I said that हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me first. During the, I said that first one who was there? Babur, and then Babur was a lover of music, and then I said that he himself was a poet. Understood? And thereafter Humayun. Humayun is also loving the music, and then he is also writing his poetry. But one of the person who is there in the royal court and the musician, Bachchu. Who is there? Bachchu. Humayun Bacha. And thereafter I talked about there is a Suri. And the Suri dynasty, I have said that uske baad Akbar nahi, Suri dynasty. And the Adil Shah was the last, and then we have seen there is a Bhagat. Who is there? Jisko unhone 10,000 Mansabdar has been given. And after the Jahangir, who came? Akbar. And Akbar made the famous A for Akbar, A for Abul Fasal. He has given Akbar Nama. In this one we came to know about how many musicians were there in the court? 36. And every day it has been divided, and what is one of the famous king was there also in this musician court, and then Baj Bahadur. Which one I said that? Baj Bahadur. And thereafter I talked about Mia Tansen. Which one I said that? Mia Tansen. That is in a Ram Tanu Pandey. And thereafter he was also there. And he is who was the teacher of it? Yes, Swami Haridas. Understood? Of Vrindavan. And thereafter we have seen that he has been given some kind of what is in a ragas, and then some veena. Which are the veena? Rudra veena, and the raga may raga todi, raga malhar, and then I said that Darbari Kannada. Darbari Kannada. And then after the Mia Tansen, who was the second most important? Baba Ramdas. And from the Lal Kalwant, what is to understand the Hindi and all, he has vocalization of Hindi learned by the Lal Kalwant, who? Akbar. And thereafter the Akbar, we come towards Mr. who? Akbar ke baad Jahangir. And J for Jahangir, J for Jagannath, J for Janardhan Bhatt. Which one I said that? And there is also Muhammad Shah and his brothers during his court. And there is he was also lover of music, and he was itself authored several music. And thereafter we talked about किसके बारे में बात किया? जहांगीर के बाद Shahjahan. And then Shahjahan was, I said that Baba Ramdas, Mahapatra, and Jagannath को इन्होंने क्या किया था? He has weighted with the equal to his weight. Gold has been given as his face. And thereafter we have seen Mr. I said that Aurangzeb only 10 years, and thereafter Muhammad Shah Rangila. You know that from the 1707 to 1712, 1707 declining Mughal start, and then I said that Bahadur Shah, Jahandar Shah, Farrukh Shiar, and then 1719 to 1748. कौन आए? After that, Farrukh Shiar के बाद कौन आए? Farrukh Shiar ही तो हमारे यहाँ देश की वाट लगाया था. दस्तक को तो उसी ने दिया था, ले जाओ दस्तक, and then बंगाल में it has been misutilized by the Britishers. So Farrukh Shiar, and then they are under the puppet. Ali brothers के अंडर में क्या थे वो? Puppet. And then उसको किसने मारा? Muhammad Shah and Chin Clinch Khan of Hyderabad. दोनों लोग मिलकर मारे. उसके बाद सब लोग puppet जो बनाने के जो था कि I am the king maker and all. So उसके बाद आगे Muhammad Shah Rangila, he was totally busy in Rangila. Totally busy in, and then 1719 to 1748. 1719 to, and I said that given the title of what is Mohan Rai ko Raja title has been given, and he was not able to get that good amount of pension. Then therefore he is saying that what is मोहन राय टू व्हाट? लंदन. जाओ पूछ के आओ यार, हमारा पेंशन तो बढ़ा दे ब्रिटिशर्स. So I said, Raja title has been given by whom? Yes, Akbar Shah. मैंने कौन बोलिया? अच्छा मोहम्मद शाह से मैं अकबर शाह, सॉरी अकबर शाह has given. मैं and then मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला के फेज में 1739 में what we have seen? Yes, Battle of Karnal. Nadir Shah has attacked and then whole blood full of Delhi. And thereafter we have seen मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला ने हमें कुछ. So declining Mughal में who has preserved the music? Who has preserved the music? Muhammad Shah Rangila. And then we can be able to see that the 18th century music and the North Indian style received great encouragement at the court of Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah. And कौन थे वहां पे? सादा रंग और आधा रंग. कौन थे? मतलब एक सादा रंग होता है और एक आधा रंग होता है. Where two great composers ख्याल गायकी at his court. Which Gayaki? Which is the toughest one? Drupad. And thereafter which one I said? Khayal. And then Khayal Gayaki के लिए कौन है? I said that great composer of Khayal Gayaki, सादा रंग. and जब एक सादा रंग होता है और जब आधा सादा हो जाए तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? आधा रंग है, आधा सादा है. So आधा रंग. And then he has given then ऐसे ख्याल आ गया आपको? सादा रंग, आधा रंग. अंडरस्टूड? ख्याल आ गया. और जैसे ख्याल नहीं आया तो कोई बात नहीं. तराना. व्हाट आई सेड दैट? तराना दादरा. एबल टू लोकेट तराना? यस, दिख रहा था ना तराना. देन आई सेड दादरा. व्हिच वन आई सेड? दादरा एंड गजल. तराना, दादरा, गजल. व्हिच वन आई सेड दैट? तराना. And then several new forms of music such as tarana, dadra and ghazal also came into existence at this time. किसके टाइम में है? मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला. Sada Rang, Adha Rang has given, tell me what? Sada Rang, Adha Rang has given what? Khayal Gaiki. And thereafter we have been able to see, tell me fast. Yes, Tarana, new form has been given, which I said. Tarana, Dadra, Ghazal. He has not given, इनका new form आया. Understood? I said that new form has been given. And then I said that moreover some folk forms of music were also incorporated in the. And in this category, mention may be made of what is in a Thumri employing the folk skills and all, and the Tappa developed from the camel driver of Punjab. तो यहाँ पर देखा जाएगा तो Tappa is what is an indigenous grown during this period. Otherwise, a new form has been what is in a several new forms of music, such as I said that Tarana, Dadra, and Ghazal will come into existence at this time. Understood? And then I said that किसकी बात करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग? Music paid textbooks. Yes. And then first textbook आपको याद होगा, नाट्य शास्त्र given by Bharat Muni. And thereafter I said the Brihad Desi. Yes. Yes. अच्छा ये बताओ, suppose you are teasing your mother, so he will put in a small room as a punishment or big room as a small room जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाए. आजकल की मदर थोड़ी एजुकेटेड हो गई है. वेयर सी विल कीप बिग रूम, थोड़ा सा एंजॉय भी कर ले, फिर मैं आऊं फिर समझा भी दूं. आजकल का टेंडेंसी चेंज हो गया. पहले था पढ़ाई नहीं करते तड़ एंड आज के डेट में मारने से पहले सोचना होगा कहीं कोर्ट में न पहुंच जाए. सो आई सेड दैट सो हमने क्या बोला, माँ आपको यदि टांगेगी भी तो कहां पे? छोटे बृहद देश में. यस. सो बृहद देसी ऑफ माटंगा, विच आई सेड दैट बृहद देसी ऑफ, और उस बृहद देश में जाके बच्चा जोर जोर से चिल्लाएगा, इधर उधर कूदेगा, एंड देन देयर विल बी वन ऑफ द सिंगर. सो आई सेड दैट एंड देयर आफ्टर रत्नाकारा ऑफ सारंग देवा. एंड जैसे यू नो दैट द बॉयज को क्या बोला जाता है? बॉयज, इफ यू आर हैविंग बेबी बॉय आफ्टर द बर्थ, तो इसको लोग बोलते हैं रतन पैदा हुआ है. व्हाट हैज बीन देयर? और जैसे ही रतन आया उसको क्या दे दिया कुछ दिनों के बाद? सारंगी. रत्नाकारा हैज बीन गिवन बाय, यस टेल मी, सारंग देव. अंडरस्टूड? एंड संगीत में सुधार कौन कर सकता है? वी ह्यूमन बीइंग या गॉड? हरिपाला. Who can do it? So which are the songs, which are the textbook we have seen? Tell me fast. Which are the textbook? Natya Shastra given by Bharat Muni, and another Desi, Matanga, Mane Tang dia Brihad Desi, and thereafter we have seen, I said that, which one? Ratanakara, and it is given by whom? Sarangdev, and thereafter I said Sangeet Sudhakara, it is given by Haripala, and then Swaram Melkha Nidhi Ram Matya. Yes? Yes? Swaram Melkha Nidhi, and then कौन दिया? किसने दिया? बस ये आप याद कर लेना. हर जगह मैं नहीं एफर्ट डालूंगा, सो जैसे ही आप लोगों को छोड़ देता हूं तो आप लोगों को टफ दिखता है. हाँ, चलो कर लेना अपने से. So I said that Swaram Melkha Nidhi, which one I said that? Ram Matya. So these are the treatise. These are the treatise which is related to music. Ratan को क्या दे दिया था? Yes, tell me. Ratan को क्या दिया? Sarangi. And then I said that Brihad Desh में क्यों छोड़ दिया था? He will cry out here and then he will learn the music. Yes or not? किसको ने? माँ ने टांग दिया. And thereafter I said that Sangeet Sudhakar, who can be able to do? Haripala. And then Swarna Melkha Nidhi, it is given by Ram Matya. Let us go. Main pillars of, I said that, music. I said that there is a Swar, Pad, Laya. Which are I just said that? Swar, Pad and Laya. Swar it is there, Pad it is there, and Laya. Can you remember? Swar, Pad, Swar means notes, Pad means text, Laya means rhythm. And Swar, Pad, Laya. And which are the Swar we have seen already? It is a musical note which is pleasing to the ears, and it is our scale. We have 7 notes, but there are 22 microtones, that is in the form of, I said that, Shruti. And the 7 notes are, these are Sare Kama Padani, and each note plays according to Shruti. जैसे श्रुति होगा उसके बीच में notes को utilize किया जाएगा so that it can be pleasing. And then Shruti is an audible sound which can be heard distinctively. It can be heard, but it cannot be, I said that, song sing by someone. The coming together of all the 7 notes called as a Saptak. So all these 7 notes known as, just tell me, Saptak. Understood? क्या बोलेंगे इसे? Saptak. And Bilawal Mela, it is in a kind of thought, is accepted as a standard scale. Bilawal Mela. पहले याद हो, अपने को दिमाग में रख लें. Bilawal Mela is one of the standard scale. Bilawal Mela is one of the standard scale. मैं आऊँगा यहाँ पर. So what we have seen, tell me first. Swar, Swar, Pad, Laya. And how many swars? 7 notes. And then how many microtones? 22. It is known as Shruti. And with the help of Shruti, we are making this, what is the song to be what? Pleasing. Understood? And these 7 notes together known as what? Saptak. Understood? And which is the famous scale? I said Bilawal Mela. Which one I said? Bilawal Mela. I said that हम लोगों ने God and Goddesses origin Vedic period में ही हो चुका था. Which are the Vedas? सामवेद में कौन था? सामवेद में which one? सामवेद में, yes, Jaiminia Brahmana, and then Kausitiki Brahmana, and then we have seen Gandharva Veda. It is an Upaveda. And thereafter I said that Gandharva Veda, Indian music is there. And then I said that Narada taught music. ये ध्यान में रखिएगा, Narada has taught the music. ऐसा कहा जाता है. And then Sam Veda, yes, Sam Veda. If you go into Bengal, have you met with any friends of yours Bengali? In Bengal, you know that it is in a tradition that everyone have what is should know some music, some musical instrument. कुछ न कुछ उन्हें जानना चाहिए. What they should know? Some musical instrument. It is in a very much, it is in a शादी के समय वो बहुत help करता है. So it is in a kind of धीरे धीरे क्या होते जा रहा है, बाहरी लड़का लड़की राजी तो क्या करेगा काती. That is also happening. But I said that it is earlier. इनके घर के पास आप जाओगे, the people those who are from the UP and Bihar especially, and there the Bengalis are living, and then शाम में चलता है वहां पे ये सब चलने लग जाता है. I said that. हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. I said that हमने क्या देखा? नारदा taught music and शाम में बंगालियों के यहाँ क्या हो जाता है? उदय हो जाता है म्यूजिक का. तो साम वेदा हैज बीन रिसाइटेड बाय whom? उदगात्री. शाम में क्या होता है? म्यूजिक का उदय. The special singers were employed during the what is the sacrifices. साम वेदा को कौन who recites? ये सारी चीजें सीखेंगे in the what ancient history. साम वेदा उदगात्री. Yes, साम वेदा उदगात्री. Understood it? And then जैसे बोला जाता है यजुर्वेदा, अध्वर्यु, ऋग वेदा, it is a होत्री. Then similarly, I said that उदगात्री. साम वेदा it is recited by whom? उदगात्री. साम में music का उदय. And raga, how many ragas are there? 7 notes. And that is I said that 7. Sa for sadja, sajda, and then re for resha, ga for gandhara, and then ma for madhyam, pa for pancham, dha for dvaita, and ni for nishada. So next I said that saptak have different melodic stages. Saptak has what is the name? Melodic stages. Saptak has different melodic stages. Swar. And then I said that there is one melodic stage. में क्या है? What is the important line? Human voice and then body. What is the melodic stages? 3 stages are there. Human voice and then I said that mandra madhya tara. Mandra madhya tara. Mandra madhya tara. And if you are singing the song and the swara is coming from the navel, if it is coming from the navel, it is known as the mandra saptak. Which saptak? If the swaras are coming from what is the navel, it is known as, and that is considered in a lower octave. It is known as octave. And then when the songs and the swaras are coming from the heart, it is known as, I said that, mandra madhya. I said that madhya saptak and middle octave. And then I said that when the songs are coming through the throats, coming through, that is known as a tar saptak. That is known as what? Tar saptak and high octave. This is a lower octave, middle octave, higher octave. Understood it? So which are the 3 types of saptak? Just tell me. Mandra, madhya, tara. Understood? And then आप लोग कभी कभी मन में भी कभी आया होगा कि सॉन्ग कैसे गाते हैं लोग. How do the people are able to? So there is what origination of the what is in a pressure from the different reason. Navel, heart, and then throat. And high octave कहाँ से आएगा? Navel से और throat से? Throat, through the higher octaves. Understood? A saptak consists of what is an asuddha and vikriti swaras. Which are the swaras? So there is actually 12 swaras are there. Out of this, 7 are shuddha swaras. And then next 5 are what? Ashuddha means vikrit swaras. Understood? So there are 12 notes out of which 7 are natural shuddha and then 5 are vikrit.